child? Mute it. By mistake, it got unmuted. I know you are doing very well. I will give you chance to every student. We will start by next week alphabetical order. So be ready. Okay. One day, one children will be there. Five students. We are going to call and you have to do the sum. Okay. Yes, children. So now listen carefully. Now, already you know the step one first. Yes. See here the numbers are there. 3-digit numbers. 100 tens, ones, boxes is there. Now first step is to add first ones column. Ones column you have to add. The number is 9 plus 3. Tell me how much is that? 9 plus 3. 9 in the mind, 3 in the finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12. Yes, the number is 12. Yes, children. So 2 will be written in ones place and 1 will go to the tens place. Yes. So step 1 over. Now we will go to the step 2. What is the step 2? Tens. Yes. Step 2 is we are going to add all the numbers in the tens. What are the numbers we are having in tens? 1 plus 4 plus 5. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 5 plus 5 is equal to 5 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got it 10 in the box. Okay. Now we are going to follow the third step. Yes, third step we are going to add numbers in the 100. Yes, children. Please mute it. Yes, 10. So 10 means 0 will be written in ones place and 1 will go in the 100 place. Okay, child, as a carryover. Got it? Yes. So this is the third step. Now we are going to add all the numbers in the 100 place. 2, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. We got the answer 402. Yes, we got it. Our answer is equal to, our answer is equal to 402. Okay, child? Yes. So 249 plus 153 is equal to 402. Hope so you will do correctly. Carrying over some in tens place also and 100 place also. Okay, children? Yes. Now, some more sums Rubni ma'am is going to do. Okay? Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Ma'am, is my board is visible? Now?
Yes, yes,
Now
miss.
it's visible?
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, children. I hope everybody attend the session and you might hear with that. Okay. Now, instead of writing only the numbers, I'm going to write little bit. See, there are 468 apples. 468 apples and 157 oranges. 157 oranges. How many fruits in all? How many fruits in all? I told how many fruits in all the term. In all the term is a key term of addition. It's a key term of addition. So we are going to do the addition. Okay, look at here. 3-digit numbers. 3-digit number means 1 means 1. 2-digit means tens. 3-digit means 100. 3-digit means 100. So 400, 416 8 units. 416 8 units is 416 8 unit is 468. And then 100, 5, 10, 7 units. 100, 5, 10, 7 unit is 157. Now listen carefully. First step what we have to do. Very first step what we have to do, my children. We have to represent the place values. We have to represent the place values. Hundreds, tens, ones. And then we have to represent the numbers in the appropriate rooms. We have to represent the numbers in the appropriate rooms. See, 400, 6, 10, 8 units. So 400, where it has to go? Hundreds room. Shall we write here? Yes. 400. Then 6, 10. 8 ones. 400, 6, 10, 8 ones. Now, I'm going to tell you one trick, okay? See, 400. I couldn't draw appropriately that 100 chicks. It is the 100, okay? So, 1, 2, 3. One second. If I draw like this, it won't be clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 400. 610, 610. How you will explain 610s? This is made of tens, okay? 2, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10. Okay, 10. 8 ones. 8 ones. 1,
Okay.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 400, 6, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10. 8 units. Okay, 8 units. Now, the next number. Next number. What is the next number? 157. 157. So, 100. One should comes in the hundreds room. 5 should come to the tens room. 5 tens. 7 1. 7 1. Shall we draw now? 100. So, 100. The board is very small, so I couldn't draw very bigger size. But just with that, 5 tens. 5 tens. 2, 3, 4, 5 tens. Okay. Next, 7 ones. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Okay. 468, 157. I represent in the pictures also. Now, and in all, which means addition. Which means addition. What sign we will put for the addition? Plus sign. Plus sign and then equals to. And then equals to. Okay. Now, count with me. First, we have to calculate the ones room. Yes? We have to calculate from ones room. Count with me. Count with me is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here, 8 after. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many ones there? 15 ones. 15 ones. Okay. See, Like this it will be there. Okay. Think it as ones. Okay. Okay. Think it as one. If
It is not visible.
it's not visible. Ma'am Shahid ma'am, the board is not visible.
Visible, ma'am, but we can't
Yes,
zoom
thank
it.
you.
That's it. Visible.
Even my thing, it shows very small. One second, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, okay. Ma'am, now board is nothing. Yeah, that's it. Little. Okay, miss. But the pictures are showing very small. Yeah. Okay, carry on, miss.
Since the board is small, I couldn't draw bigger size. I apologize for that. Okay.
Carry on, miss. No problem.
15. Okay. Now, what is the 15? Ma? Explain about the 15. See, if it is one separately, if it becomes 10 ones, it will become like one stick. Okay. Then if it is 10 sticks, then it will become like this. One square is equal to 100. 110 is equal to one stick. If it is the ones, it will be like this. 2 ones. Okay. Now, 15 is equal to what, ma? 15 is equal to what? 110. Right? 110 and
The state not visible.
5 units. 1 second, my dear. 1 second. 110 and 5 unit is equal to what? 15. 110 plus 5 unit is 15, right? Now, we have to write this ones place alone. Unit to the unit place value, tens value to the tens room. Okay? Can you understand? Ones room 15 is equal to 110 and 5 units. 110 and 5 units. So, 5 units should go to the ones room. 5 units should go to the ones room. This 110, no, that will go to the tens room. Because it is a 10, right? It should go and group with the tens only. So we will add one more 10 here. Is it understand? Could you follow me? Okay. Now, we have to, yes, my dear.
4 plus 1 equal to 5 also.
Here, we have to start from one place value only. We have to start from the addition from one place value only. We will slowly go to the 100 place. Okay. First, we have to finish first ones place, then tens place, and lastly, we have to add hundreds place value. Okay. Now, count here. I added one 10 more here. Okay. I draw one more 10. Now count with me. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many times? 12 times. Look at here. 12 times. That's the place I will drop here. 12 times. Is equal to what? Is equal to what? 12, 10 is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 100, no? 100 and 210. Okay, 100 and 210 is 12 tens. Could you follow me? 100 and 210 is 12 tens. If it is 10, 10, it will become 100, no? If it is 10, 10, then it will become 100. So 12, 10 is 100 and 2 tens, right? So this 2 tens will come to the tens room. This 100 will go to the hundreds room itself. Okay? Now, 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 600. If we are again adding with this number, I rubbed it. That's why I am not calculating this picture. We have to draw one more square box because one more 100 added. So 1, 2, 3, 4, Sorry, here one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 600. 600, 210, 5 units. 600, 210, 5 unit is what? What? 625. 625. 625. Listen carefully, children. Listen carefully. 468 and 157 equal to 625. First step, we have to write the place values. Second step, we have to represent the numbers in your appropriate rooms. Then we have to start from one's place value. Why? Because we have to start from the smaller place value only. Okay? 8 plus 7 is equal to what? 15. 15 is equal to what? 110 and 5 units. So 5 units will go to the ones room. 110 will go to the tens room. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. So 12 is equal to what? 100 and 2 tens. 100 and 2 tens. So 100 will go to the hundreds room. 210 will come to here tens room. Then 1 plus 4 is equal to what? 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So 625 is your answer. 625 is your answer. Is there any doubt? Just to explain the hundreds ones only, I draw the pictures. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt? Make it fast, children. Is there any doubt? No? Anyone? Anyone having?
No, ma'am.
Kindly type in your chat box, my dear. Yes, I hope it's clear. Okay. Now, you are looking for the mobile for so long, no? Screen so long, no? Now, stop looking and do your eye exercise. Do your eye exercise. Look upward. Look upward. Down. Left. Look right. Look upward. Look down. Look left. Look right. Look upward. Look down. Look left. Look right. Okay. Thank you, children. I over to Shaheen ma'am. Shaheen ma'am, please continue, ma'am.
Thank you. Now, yes, children, now I'm going to tell you about the lesson 2 classwork writing. Yes. Yes, this is about classwork writing, children. So our lesson 2, you have to write neatly in the classwork. Already I have given the instruction. You have to write in the boxes and you have to write neatly in the classwork with pencil and use scale, ruler. Okay, children. So first you have to write the lesson 2 addition. Okay. And the first Roman is about 2-digit number without regrouping. And second Roman you are going to write in the new page, and 3-digit number without regrouping. Okay, children, this all we are going to send in your class group. Okay, yes, 2-digit number, 3 questions, A, B, C, and without regrouping 3-digit numbers. Okay, next, all this you are going to receive. Yes. Next one is Roman letter 3 and 4. Okay. So in the 3, Roman letter 3, already we have discussed about regrouping of ones, that regrouping in ones. And 4th Roman, today we have done a regrouping of ones and tens. Okay. These two numbers regrouping. So you have done one sentence regrouping, one sentence regrouping. Okay. So these 4 Romans, you have to do it today. Okay. Write neatly. And already you have completed workbook exercise. I hope so. Those who are having, those who are not having, we are going to send workbook page number page number 6. Yes, page number 6. You are going to receive with answers. Okay, you can check your answers. Page number 6 and then workbook, page number 7. Already you have completed, hope so, in these 2 days. So you can check all the answers. Page number 7, page number 6 and page number 7. Okay, children. Now I am going to tell you about one more interesting things that you have to do it. Let's see what is that. Yes, children. This is the activity, this week activity. What makes 10? Yes, you can make 10 by 9 plus 1, 6 plus 4, 7 plus 3, then 8 plus 2, 5 plus 5. Again same thing, 8 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 0 plus 10, 9 plus 1, 6 plus 4 will make 10. Okay, now how to do this activity? Just to see one more picture, image. Yes, see here we have taken the 6 tomato. How we have made 6? We have taken 6 tomatoes and added 4 onion. So it make total 10. Yes, we made 10. So like this, any 2 objects you select and take the photo and send it in your group. Okay. Yes, one more example I am going to show. Anything, any 2 objects you can take and send it in the group. One more activity. The same activity you can do it in another number. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 8 pencils are there and 2 sharpeners are there and total is 10. Got it, children? Yes. Now any doubt in activity, classwork, or the topic, today's topic was addition with regrouping in one sentence. Any doubt in anything, please now you can ask. Start. So 3 things are there today. Okay, and please do the activity and send the photos in the class group. Any doubt anyone is having, they can unmute and talk or write in the chat box. Anything?
Ma'am, this activities used in scrapbook or A4 sheet, ma'am?
This you have to take no scrapbook, nothing. You have to take real 2 objects. Any object you have to take. You have to take any 2, tomato, any vegetable or fruits or any pencil, whatever it is there in the home, and you have to make it 10 and with any 2 objects.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Any other doubt? You have to do the activities with the real items. Okay, children? And children has to do this activity.
Any doubt in regrouping in 3-digit
What
number?
if not means just write in the chat box.
Anybody having
Any other doubt?
3-digit
Or
regrouping?
if not, just type in the chat box, no doubt. Or
Sign
anyone? Yeah.
unless otherwise it's not easy. Okay. If you practice well, then maths will be
Okay.
very easy one. Okay.
Yeah. Just I'm showing the clipping. What we have done today. Today's topic was, just have a glance, children. So today's topic was adding with regrouping in ones and tens. Okay. Then we have done step 1, step 2, step 3. Then classwork writing. Classwork you have to write for 1, 2, 3, 4. You will receive. Okay. After that, activity is there. Okay. The small activity which you are going to do. Either with anything, any 2 objects you can take and you can do the activity with anything. 5 plus 5 you can do, 6 plus 4 you can do. You have to make 10. Okay, children? This is one of the example which I have shown. Okay. So 5 minutes more is there. Rupni ma'am, you can give some brain gym activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, children. Shall I call anyone? Last week, you people have not done properly the brain gym, so I'm continuing the same like this. Okay, who is ready to do? Yeah, you can type in your chat box with your name, please. Okay? Who is ready? Me, Adrit. Adrit 2D. Yes, come on. Unmute your video and audio. Adrit? First Adrit, okay? He typed first. Adrit? Adrit, I'm waiting. 2 minutes, ma'am. Okay. Then I will call others. Who is next? Netra Sai. Netra Sai.
Meera Shri is doing.
Yes. Adrit, super Adrit. Super. Very good. Thumbs up to you. Next one. Thank you, dear. Samrita. Samrita. See, if you people are not doing, then next week also the same activity. Rinalini. Rinalini. Can you unmute your video? Can you unmute your video? Yes. Yes, yes.
Ma'am, shall I?
Yes, yes, my dear. Unmute your video. Unmute your, yes, sure. Samrita. I can see you. Do this.
கை வை கை வை கை எந்த கைமா இந்த கைய
Let him do, sir. Let him do. Netra Sai.
நேரம் வைடா அப்படியே பண்றா
Super, Samrita. Very good, Samrita. Thumbs up to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Netra Sai, you are trying. Next time I will call you. Okay, you have to do it correctly. Okay. Next person. Who is ready? Unmute.
Shall I do?
Yes, you can unmute. Yes, unmute. Yes, is unmute. Unmute. Is unmute.
Mrinali, ma'am. Mrinali, ma'am.
Yes, dears, you can unmute your. You can unmute your Yes, Hasini, super Hasini. Good. Kavin, yes, Kavin. Yes, Kavin. Do it. Do it. Hey, super dear. Hey, super dear. Those who I called the name, you did. Kavin, you are interested, can unmute your
Mom, I will do.
Yes, dear. Kavin, you did. I showed you a thumbs up.
Mom, we are brilliant.
2 minutes more. You can unmute your video.
I'm seeing me, Mahalashini, ma'am. I'm ready, ma'am.
It's okay, go.
Rinalini.
Yes? I couldn't see your video. Yes, Sanjana. Super Sanjana. Try. Yes. Not like this. Not like this. You have to do like this. Okay? Like this, okay, Sanjana? If you practice well, you can all do it, okay? Next class, tomorrow I will call you, okay? You can do it, Sanjana. Aparna. Yes, Aparna. Very good. Thumbs up. Sanjana, you try. Yes. No, mute yourself. That's all. Anybody interested? Yes.
I'm Shanvika.
Sharvika, I couldn't see the video. Yes, Shanvika. Super. You're showing like this only. Like this. Okay. Pranav Kumar. Yes, Pranav Kumar. Ishal. Yes. Yes, down. Yes, Sanjana. Super Sanjana. Very good. Like that only. Okay, students. Now it's time to end the session, okay? We will see you next session at 10:15 sharp, okay? Thank you, students. Thank you, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Girija ma'am, you can end up the session. Thank you, Shine.